Okay, we're back on Metro Exodus. So
Well,
let's get it started.
years since anyone's heard anything but static and white noise on the radio. Who could still believe we're not alone on this earth? My wife, my comrades from the Order,
We can skip
my
this.
friends, people from my station.
No? Good.
Where did... Oh, yeah, because my fucking computer bugged out last time, didn't it? Ooh, fucking dirty now. I need to... Let's have a look with that. Photo mode. Options. Game options. Difficulty... Aim. I don't want aim. Video. Okay, I want it to be higher. Yes. So settings will be restored. Yep. There we go. Right, okay, let's carry on. Sensitivity. Yeah, that sound. Feels a bit too slow actually. That's better. Can't aim for shit anyway, so it won't even make any difference. Let's have a look. Am I missing anything? Nah, let's just go straight back to it. What the fuck? Feels that weird? Ooh. I see him. Should I avoid those? Sound? Or why are you looking behind us? Oh fuck. Ah! What the fuck? Why is it so ready? Ah, I've left my wife to die. Right. How'd you melee? V.
We sure gave them hell.
One of us did. Anyway, I ran away.
Oh, is this why the zone is off limits? I mean, if all the packs
Any
were
ammo?
like that.
Oh, asking you shall receive? Okay. I'm guessing that timer on my arm is how long I've got with my... Whatever, just... Yeah, it is. Okay, where are we off?
Damn, too high. Hey, Artyom, help me get out there.
Oh, automatically does it. Okay. I'm enjoying this game so much so far as well.
Come up now. I got you.
Fucking hell.
Did you hear that, Artyom? Something large roaring. At least it was far away.
Oh, why would you even say that?
Now
Every
that's
time
what
in
I
games
call a
someone
blizzard.
says that,
Can't
something's
see
gonna
a
come
thing.
at us.
Or here. Let's switch to radios. What? Artyom, are you seeing this? I'm not just imagining things,
Oh,
right?
fuck. Can I shoot that? Oh, even my aim, or I just can't do it.
A train! A damn train on the surface! Look! It's our guys from the Order!
Oh.
It looks like they're chasing that train too! Let's join them!
Hey, come on! Get inside!
Wait, these aren't good. Yeah, I was gonna say, these are gonna kill me, aren't they? Don't know why you'd get in a car with random people, but cool.
One of them is the Order commander's daughter.
You should have checked first, assholes. Artyom, thank God. These people, they're Hansa, not the Order. Assholes. They did a number on you. Well, Dad will rip them a new one
Look,
for
what's
that.
going on in this Moscow of yours anyways?
Of yours? You're putting this like you're not from here.
We aren't. Our village is about 200 kilometers from here.
What village? You're not from Moscow?
Just a regular village. We came here to find the boy's father. Left for Moscow about a year ago and never came back. But then we got caught by these here.
You mean there's life outside?
Why wouldn't there be any? Sure, there are lots of bad places and lots of beasts around, but we still get by.
Artyom, you were right. People really do live out there. We didn't know. We thought we were the only survivors. God, we'll tell the whole metro about this.
The heck and the boy out!
Hey, you people drove us halfway to nowhere.
Oh. Are they gonna kill
At
these?
least give them their masks back.
They won't be needing any masks.
Oh, they are.
Get him!
Artyom! Artyom! No! Artyom! Artyom! Artyom!
Oh. I just got fucking shot. Wait, was I meant to do something, or is that this part of the game? Okay, it is part of the game. Do I not have a mask on? Oh no, that's why he's choking. There we go. So what the fuck do I do now? Oh, what the fuck? I don't know why you'd even try and fight that. Artyom. I was out of my kids. Yes. Yeah, just stab yourself in the shoulder, you'll be out, you'll be fine. Are they gonna attack me? Oh, I can punch though. Gee. Oh, it's a fucking drain. I thought that was big heavy footsteps down. Oh, okay. So this is the base to the people with the train. Fucking hell. Artyom must be freezing. I mean, surely you can crawl a little bit quicker than that, like. I need a gun. I need to go and kill them two bastards who fucking shot us before. Hammer? Take that. Oh, look at that. Wait. Can I punch that? Oh! Well, I shouldn't have fucking done that, should I?
What did we forget here, I wonder? Doesn't look like we're going to get much of anything from guarding this place.
Damn watchmen broke through. Workers are done for.
Keep your weapon trained in the opening. If anything comes
Ladder,
through,
okay.
shoot.
I'm guessing I'm avoiding these.
Attention! The turntable is switching on.
Yeah, Mark. Oh yeah, Mark. Oh yeah, Mark. Yeah, Mark. Get me a weapon on.
Just about enough of your whining, you old fuck!
Straight for the ravine if you don't shut up.
Now listen, if you come out of here, we won't accept this shit again. Okay?
Animals.
Are you gonna be on my team?
How can they? What can I do? The mutant? Watchman! A human?
Dude.
How did you... Oh my god. It's you she's been screaming about.
Jesus,
Alive.
dude looks rough as fuck. Get out my face,
You
mate.
came for her.
I know his breath stinks as well.
All right. I'll help. Finally, I'll be of some use.
There's a Stanley knife on
Okay.
there as well.
They took the girl to the
And a
base
hammer.
chief for interrogation. I can't take you to the main entrance. Too many guards. But we may sneak in from the back.
Sneak. What are we playing Assassin's Creed as
But
well?
don't rush though. If they notice you, we're both done for.
Okay, so we're sneak. What is this then?
You'd better not walk into the light.
Okay.
It's the fucking breaker again.
Looks like they didn't finish the repairs at the generator, Sergeant.
Oh.
Stay close to the wall.
Oh, you turned quite civil again, Yermak. So you can use your head after all.
Yes, sir.
Is that you?
Got me
What are
already.
you mumbling? Come here and help me fix this. Come on, come
Wait, am I meant to come up here? Yeah.
This should be nothing for you.
Yeah, okay.
Simon Mikhailich. The generators. You should see it.
What? Yeah, I totally need you to tell me what I should do. Better fix this line here.
Wait. You'll have to take it down. Can you do it quietly?
Okay.
What's with that mumbling?
By the way,
Take him down quietly.
Ah, Yermak.
Does he not have a weapon? Why is... How did you... Dude was there about 2 minutes. Wow, okay.
Wait a moment. Wait.
Press control for the decoy.
Great. Now throw it. Well done.
Oh, distraction. Okay.
Let's go. Come.
Can I throw another one in there? No, shouldn't have done that.
Go through. Come on.
Weapons? No. Turn that off.
Good luck to you.
Are you leaving me? Oh, Anna.
No matter who you are, Dad will shut the fuck up. When he learns what you've done to Artyom, to these civilians, these people are from other cities, aren't they? They come from Moscow.
Oh, hello.
And we never even saw them, because you killed them.
Who the fuck are you?
Artyom! Oh,
Oh, fight him. Oh.
Throw me at you! Alert! You fucker!
Okay.
Artyom! Oh my god! You're alive! Alive! Are you hurt? Hunter's badge? It stopped the bullet!
Oh.
Take this, bitch!
Whoa. Dude just smashed away with the chair.
Don't move!
Jesus.
Attention! Control unit damaged.
Morons! We are at war! One death won't be enough for you now, you
What is this
imbeciles! This is the universal broadband radio jammer.
What?
It stops Moscow from hearing anyone, and them from hearing us. Shit! This fucking sucks.
Oh, maybe we should destroy that then.
Do you hear that, Artyom? You were right all along. Do you see?
Oh, so that's why nobody could hear me when I was up top. Okay.
It's not just Russia out there. It's the whole world. Oh my god. What for?
Because the war is still going on, and you behave like fucking kids. Alarm!
Oh.
All the guards will be here soon.
Well, yeah, no shit.
Don't shoot! I'm with him. I'm with you.
Oh, what's he got?
You have to run. Is this yours? They just left it sitting there. We must get out before they recover.
Oh.
Get ready, people.
Guards! You have to go sneak through the courtyard. Take the door the guards are coming through. Here, quick! Let's go!
Are you coming with me?
Who are you?
Andrei Valeriemek, the train engineer. Run now! Just get to that hangar, then God willing, I'll get you out of here. They know me, so I'll get there easily.
Why are you helping us, Andrei Ivanovich?
I had... I guess I'll tell you later. I hope.
Oh.
Hey guys,
Be
what's
careful.
going on? Hey! Hey!
Artyom, I see the enemy. Give me a boost. Can't really see well with the snowstorm. Don't forget your visibility gauge, Artyom.
If you don't move too fast and don't come out into the light, it's harder for them to notice. Don't turn your flashlight on either, they could notice.
I've only got 3 bullets in this.
Artyom, incoming 2 of them.
Okay, so it's V to melee.
From above.
Okay. So we gotta be sneaky, sneaky. How was it controlled? Ah, it was.
What's making all that noise? What could be near that crate?
Oh fuck, just killed me. Okay, so it's not a one-shot headshot. Cool. Okay. Fuck. Oh, I gotta do that whole
Don't
cutscene
turn your
again.
flashlight on
Oh
either,
no,
they could
Sal.
notice. Artyom, incoming 2 of them.
I throw you over there.
From above.
What's that rattling sound? There's something down there.
And again, maybe. Now we go.
Fearing more danger of being buried in garbage rather than an enemy attack.
Ah, fuck, he's coming. What if I just... I've got 9 bullets in that as well. Fuck, I've got no ammo.
Come out now and nobody gets hurt.
Okay, so if I throw another one over there.
Hey, what's your situation?
Fuck. No, 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 no.
I don't know, wait, best at it. No matter.
Are they just gonna watch me?
Set this play, people.
Oh, what's this? Ammo. Oh, okay, I've got some ammo now. I really don't know. Oh, hello. Ah, that's how we get it. Oh, there's a lot of them.
Attention!
Go,
The
go,
command
go.
center came under enemy attack. The attackers are assumed to still be on the base territory.
What's that else? Yes.
Changing position, Artyom.
All unauthorized persons are
It's covering you.
civilian
Run,
personnel
just fucking
will be
run.
The
prohibited
hangar
in
is right
the
there. We could break through.
Go, go, go.
The system is coming back online.
Great job, Artyom.
Oh, what's that?
We're inside.
Oh, I've got a scope.
You can take the mask off, Artyom.
I'll take the
Now
mask
we
off.
have to find Yermak.
Oh, that's the wrong one. How do I take it off? Oh, okay. Ooh, ammo. Oh, more ammo. Oh no, that's giving me a sign. Oh, Jesus. Oh, what's that? Oh, okay, so we can. That's control. How do I take my mask off? I wipes it. F, torch. Q, heals me. T. What's that? Oh, maybe he does it on its own now.
Go down Rossetti and check the ravine. Yes, sir.
Oh, there we go. I'm not wasting bullets on him.
I'm telling you, there was a noise from behind the gate. There's nobody out there, that's for sure. It's the outside gate.
Hands up!
Oh, fuck.
Alert!
They notice you covering.
Oh, did the
Totally setting off tomorrow.
What's he got there? Wait. Let's quick load this shit. We can do this quietly. I know we can. So, oh my god, fucking hell, we're gonna be a long time, boys. Jesus. Should we try that again? Turn the flashlights off for one. No! Don't forget to glance. Okay.
Telling you, there was a noise from behind the gate.
So why go like this?
That's for sure. It's the outside gates open.
Hold on.
Yes! Take the ammo? Wait, first turn that off. Search him. There we go. Okay, we're getting the hang of it now. Let me reload this. Take the ammo out again. Turn that off. Oh, there we go.
Group D, redeploy to the generator room.
We're on high alert. Civilians aren't allowed to just walk around now.
Oh fuck.
I see him
Ah. My sight was definitely fucking on in there, wasn't it? Holy fuck. Hello. Just give me 2 seconds, please.
All clear.
Okay, so there's only what 2 left. How do I? Hello? Can I not help you? Yes, okay. What's this?
Artyom, get to your mech.
I've just gone to him and nothing happened.
Am
Oh,
I glad
okay.
to see you here?
Are you alright?
I'm fine, thank you. All right, we don't have much time. They'll be back. I'll go to the engine. It should be ready now. You go up there and
Come
switch the
on,
turntable mechanism on. And please, be careful. We could easily have the whole base on us.
Why should you got a laser and I don't?
Heads up! It's enemy!
More guards! Get them!
Think I'm gonna use this. There we go, next. Shit. Ah, fuck one button. It's Q. Again. Jesus. Hello? Am I hiding in a locker for some reason?
Turn the turntable on.
Hello? I'm stuck in a locker? Hello? Come on, don't be like this. I don't want to restart the game. No! It should spawn me back up at there anyway. Oh, no way. Oh, thank God. Oh, Jesus, I shit myself then. Okay. Have I searched everything? Yes. Oh.
Artyom, we're running out of
Alright,
time.
shut up. How do I fix that?
Alert!
Is there a
All
hole?
crews, to the hangar!
I see the enemy!
Oh. Okay, they're not supposed to battle.
Shit, the shit in the fucking sky! Power generator! Do it now!
Damn, what do we do now?
Okay, the fucking are explosive battles. Don't you dare get me stuck in that again.
Don't let go, Artyom!
Don't let go when you let go.
That was intense. Are you okay?
Hey, there's a manual drive on the platform. It's hard to
What does all this mean?
It's just a little bit. Now!
Jesus Christ. Shit.
More guards, get them!
Wait, I can't fucking see shit. Is that it? Can I get on there?
Help me
No.
out here, Artyom. Let's do this together.
This is a great game, by the way.
A little. Yes.
I can see him over there.
Run!
Kill them!
Artyom, come on.
Yeah, just walk, mate. Don't worry about it.
Yes.
Come here, Queen!
You're going to ram the gate!
I need your help here. You should put the masks on. The seals might be damaged.
Mine's got a hole in it.
We did it! Yeah!
Oh, I don't think it makes any difference. Oh. Jesus, that's bright, isn't it?
Base, we apprehended the engineer with 2 accomplices. Over. Roger that, Base. Over. All right, shoot these 2. And as for the engineer...
What do you mean, shoot these 2?
Don't you dare give me lip, soldier.
Wait, the mayor.
Give you a piece of his mind now. Colonel, sir, we have a situation here. Anna!
Dad!
Ah.
Guys! It's us! Help us!
What the hell?
Artyom! Guys, what are you doing here? Talk about surprise.
Colonel, this will mean court-martial for all of you.
All right, everyone, shut up! I can't believe this. Just can't. Shit!
So this is true? You're working for them? The bastards shot Artyom!
Be quiet!
They...
How did you end up here? Ah, it doesn't matter. You have no idea what you just stuck your heads in. We've no moves left. Hansa can't take this line down.
shit,
The Watchers
Sherlock.
won't let
No, I won't be quiet! What is this jammer for? Why are they hiding the fact that Moscow didn't survive alone? There,
It is
in the
unashamed
ravine,
of us,
there are
sir. It's
people
one of his
from other
against
cities,
force.
dead! All of
Everyone
them,
shut up!
women, children!
I'll tell you all later. Everything. Gramps, what's going on out there?
I wonder what
Down this
with his
road.
legs as
The
well.
road is fine, at least until 100 click mark. Is there a safe place to stop nearby? Of course. We have to make haste though. They called the cruiser. All right, gentlemen. Artyom and Anna have just made a huge mess, and they can't go back to Moscow now. The wartime legislation dictates they'd be killed. In any case, I have to get them out of town until it all blows over. But you all should stay. Hear me, Major? My people are in no way related to
It's not my
this
call, and you know it.
misunderstanding
Well,
at the
I'll
jam.
fight for the guys no matter what. Of course. Artyom, Anna, they are with us.
leaves no one behind. All right, Spartans, throw these overboard and full steam ahead.
Come with me, Artyom. Let's catch some air. I'm so glad the boys supported us. It looks like my father didn't say a word to them about this either. We spent 20 years in Metro, thinking the rest of the world was burnt to a crisp in the war. But they just circled Moscow with those jammers, and we were none the wiser. How perfect of them!
So where are we going now then?
Getting irradiated on the surface, my father just kept lying. Lying to you, to me, to everyone, the whole fucking world, and not even batting an eye. Look! Damn! They caught up!
Fucking hell. Where's everyone getting these trains
Stop
from?
the engine immediately and come out with your hands above your head.
Oh, look at that turret.
That was just a warning. If you do not comply, we will shoot to kill.
Fuck me, that's some armor. And look at all the machine guns. Happy now? Is this what you were hoping
How
for?
is this his fault? You knew everything and never said shit!
Shit!
Stop the engine immediately.
Oh, fuck! Are you okay?
Yeah, just a scratch. Okay,
It's good, he's fine.
But I must warn you.
He's got a scope on his AK now. So was he?
Start slowing down. Let them think we are surrendering.
Finally some good sense. Now, keep braking to a stop.
Well, grenades will barely scratch their paint, so... How about from the inside? Not enough explosives. Unless we put everything we have in their firebox. Please, let me do it, Colonel, sir. I will be appointing the volunteers here. Artyom will do it.
Why Artyom?
Because he started it all, and he better do something about it.
So I'm assuming Miller,
Leap over as soon as we slow down.
the wife's dad, hates
I
us.
will distract him in the meantime. Plastic explosive.
That's you,
You
cover if needed. Cut the shit, Miller. There's nowhere to go. You've never been out here. We have.
We weren't going to go far, just out of town for a bit till the
car.
excitement quiets down. And you just opened fire. Will you let us go if we stop?
I have to detain you and bring you back to face trial.
Press
You
G
don't
to fix
understand
my
the charges
mask.
you're
Ah,
facing,
okay.
right?
You are going to fix
Desertion,
it.
treason.
Are you fucking kidding me? Me? A traitor?
You tell me, where are you taking that train, huh? On a simple joyride? No. I see only
was right.
one answer. You've been bought and you're running back to your masters.
Well, the verdict has already been passed. We won't even see a trial.
Cut that shit out. What are you carrying, maps? Defense plans? You want to buy yourself a seaside retirement with a life, you damn cripple?
Plans? Treason? We have served you people without question for years. We have spilled our blood for the cause.
Peace out, mate.
I have been a soldier my whole life. I have dedicated my life to my people, my country. But I'll be damned if I give it to parasites like you.
How did we get to this? You don't know? Some assholes stole an engine of ours and are trying to escape Moscow. So we are after them.
What is... All right, I surrender!
Oh, we surrendered? Yeah, none of that, mate. How do I know if their guns have got what mine's got? Glorious kill. Can you stop saving all that? There's literally nothing in this room. Wait, can I not go in this room? No. Okay. Wait, let me get a silence pulse.
We're getting closer. Unit 13 at the ready.
I don't think I can kill all that.
Unit 13, attention.
Stand up, gun Colonel Miller. Easy. We are slowing down, but the brakes on this thing are busted.
Don't sweat it, Colonel. My people will help you handle it.
Okay.
On my mark. On the count of 3.
Yermak, get ready to hit the brakes.
1.
Oh. Yeah, come on then.
What the? Brake! Hit the brake! Stop, you asshole! You motherfucker! Now you've done it! You, your lackeys, your daughter, you'll all be treated not like deserters, but like rabid dogs! A bullet for each of you!
On, no,
I'm
damn it.
shooting you personally through your forehead! Forget about visible target! Now
Ah shit! I don't melee! Oh, I was pressing. No! I pressed Q! Okay. Can that shit not stop saving?
Stop, you asshole!
Okay, so I've just killed all these.
You motherfucker! Now you've done it! You, your lackeys, your daughter, you'll all be treated not like deserters, but like rabid dogs! A bullet for each of you! I'm shooting you personally through your forehead, you damned cripple! Forget about visible targets! Let's Swiss cheese out of the thing! Fire as well!
Come on, they're going to tear us to pieces.
Oh fuck, I was going the wrong way. I'm coming. Why is he not dying? That's because he's already dead. No, he's not. He's lower than like Jesus, there's. Oh, so I can just manually search them anyway.
That's enough fighting for me!
Dude, that helmet's indestructible. Do we let him live or?
He's not going to kill an unarmed man.
Yeah, I fucking like that. Oh, he's got a scope on his gun. Ready? Let's go.
Are you assholes asleep? They're already here! If they reach the engine, I will shoot.
Don't shoot! Don't shoot! I'm just a stalker. I'm not with them. They made me. Just don't shoot!
Wait, you should kill himself? That'll be fucking air filter. Hello, mate.
Hold on!
Yeah, let's have that.
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh my god, Artyom! Thank goodness you're okay!
Now we are not just traitors. We are honest to God enemy saboteurs.
He must fucking hate us.
Is there in a conspiracy? Still this amazing...
There we go. Back on there.
Good from you. But you got the picture. So, is your counter functioning? Have you checked it?
Yes, it's all green. Double checked it. Stepan's in the green too. We don't need masks here.
So, they were telling the truth.
Who was telling the truth? Why won't you answer? Who were those people trying to kill us? Why would they shoot at you, the Order's commander? Explain something at least. You owe us that.
Well,
I might as well drop the bomb now. The war did not end.
What do you mean, did not end?
Let me finish. Most of our cities are destroyed. The rest of the country is probably under enemy occupation. To avoid new nuclear attacks against us, Command chose the only viable course of action: to play dead. To ensure radio silence, the SHIELD system was created. A network of radio jammers covering Moscow and suburbs. So that some radio enthusiasts wouldn't bring more bombs down on our heads by whining on air. And it's one of these jammers that got disabled by the hands of those present here.
Could you not have shared that before? Say, before Artyom took that radio outside and caught all that radiation?
No! I only got briefed half year ago. Under a strict, you talk, you die policy. And then had to tell my people we were securing a weather station.
Sir, with all due respect, if we can't go back, maybe we should advance and move on?
I have an idea, but...
what about everybody who was underground?
Artyom, rather than carrying on with this silent disapproval of yours, check the airwaves. We should be out of the jamming range by now, so give it your best try. Look for transmissions from the Ark. Do you understand now why we are traitors in the eyes of Command? We shut down a jamming station, shot up the guards, destroyed a patrol train, and ran away from Moscow. Who even needs a trial when the case is so clear? There's no way back now. Which means we have to continue moving forward.
Command, what are you talking about?
The Moscow Defense Command. Have you ever heard of the Invisible Watchers?
I have, but they're just an urban legend.
Not at all. They are Command.
Are you sure they care for more than just protecting their asses? You mentioned the Ark. What's that all about?
If our team finds their signal, you'll figure everything out.
What the fuck have I gotta do?
There is nothing to talk about.
Do you think finding that Ark of yours is going to fix everything?
I do not. But if you have a better idea, then go ahead.
Yes, I do. We
Wow.
have to find a good place for people from Moscow. Like Artyom always wanted.
Giving them all to... Wait a moment, what was that?
1-1-7-9. Area 1.
Listen, everyone.
-5. I repeat. Proceed to the rally point. Rally point location is code 1811-79. Area 1.
Where was that number supposed to...
Only by standing together
Got it.
shall we overcome any
So
and all
it is
obstacles.
somewhere around here. The Yamantau Mountain. So the route from here should go like this. This is our goal.
So, is this what you had in mind?
Yes, this is it. The Ark Project is a whole city underground. Enormous stores, machines, the best experts. It is the Commander General's HQ. All of the country's leaders are there. They have already started the restoration work. We will tell them that Moscow is alive. It wasn't all for nothing. Get it? A new life is starting for all the survivors of the war.
By the way, are there any single women in that place?
Great reaction. So I think the moment calls for... Bring it out to me.
Bring what out, Colonel? Sir?
That thing that's been sloshing about in your canteen. You think I'm deaf or what?
Ah, that. Just a moment. I thought my ears were deceiving me.
It's not a short trip to the Urals, so we should make ourselves comfortable, I guess. Let's name this bucket of bolts at the very least, eh?
It's about time.
Let's call her Anna and be done with it.
Nah, go to hell. Even better.
You're drinking out of the water.
Aurora, the Roman goddess of dawn and a cruiser of, you know what.
That's better.
Not bad. I like it.
Ah, beautiful name.
Sounds okay, but the cruiser of what?
Yeah, I'll tell you later.
Looks like it's decided.
There we go.
Let's drink to Aurora!
didn't even finish his drink.
Hey, Artyom, let's take a look at that map.
All right, we had a round. That should be enough. You're back. Full steam ahead.
Aye. Full steam ahead.
Wow, that's some distance. I wonder how long it will take. How are you, Alyosha?
Oh, Anna. I was expecting an arrow from a Cupid.
Alright,
but I
let's,
had a bullet
okay,
from an
before we do
ugly
this.
motherfucker instead.
You sure you're
Anna.
okay? Because I know
Anna,
you.
please move, girl.
Just so you
Anna.
know, scars attract the ladies.
Okay, we're gonna leave this one here.
And there's
And I will
definitely a
catch you
lot
up
of
in a
those
bit.
up
Peace.
ahead.